It's April 2024, and the Secret Weapon PLR has some new product drops, and I want to show you on the inside so that you can make a decision today if you want to join the Secret Weapon PLR membership. I promise you, you're not going to regret it, but let's get into it. Hey guys, my name is Sharlrita Deloatch, and on this channel, I talk about how to turn your skills into cash by providing you with passive income tips for my lady service providers, my writers, publishers, as well as authors. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, hit the notification bell. So when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Okay, so now that we got all of that out of the way, let's go on over here to the Secret Weapon PLR, and I'm going to show you what we have in here that is new. If you are not familiar with the Secret Weapon PLR, it is a monthly membership where you can get access to PLR products. What are PLR products? They are done for you digital products. All you have to do is download them. You can add your branding. You can sell them on your website. You can sell them on Etsy. You can sell them in your Gumroll account, PayHip, wherever you want to sell digital products. So the Secret Weapon PLR is a high quality PLR site where you're going to find a ton of digital products already created for you for any type of brand, business, any topic that you can think of. I'm going to show you more on the inside of that. But first, before we get into all of the products that are in here, let me share with you what's trending this week. So what's trending this week is the Get to Know You sheet. Now, the trending week's product is really a product that is high sought after based on the stats on Etsy. So Jessa as well as Evelyn does a great job with going to do research to see what's trending, because they don't want you to sell digital products that are not going to sell. So when you get inside of the membership, you'll get access to the trending, what's trending this week. So it's a get to know you sheet. That's what it looks like. Now you can, of course, you can make changes to it. You can add your own branding and color. You can even change the name to it. You can do all of those great things. Okay. So let's talk about the new drops. Now the new drops are what's the newest products that have been added to the membership. On the 15th of every month, you're going to get a new list of products that you can access. After the 15th, for the new drops, they will still continue to be here inside of the membership. They'll be right over here, and they're already categorized by the month. Okay, so even if you join the Secret Weapon PLR this month in April, you will get access to the new drops in January, February, March, and of course April. Okay, so here's some new products. We have the Tropical Highlights IT consultant website templates. All of the website templates are Canva templates. Okay, 20 web banners for fashion boutiques. You have your bachelorette dare cards, Instagram profile setup checklist. This is great for those of you that teach Instagram. You have customer service checklist, retirement plan checklist, a vintage label logos. You have a nonprofit planner. So if you know anybody that's in the nonprofit sector, here's a planner that you can either sell to them or they can, be a part of the membership. They can use that. You can use all of these digital products for your own brand and business. I just wanted to say that as well, but you can sell them as well. You have an hourly planner in Excel. Some of these digital products are Excel, like, if you have the Excel worksheets, you can download those. And some of them are in Canva. Okay. Go Live with Confidence Journal, Fear Conquering Journal. You got a habit formation journal, a habit formation affirmation cards. Those two would be great to sell together. Fear Conquering Affirmations, Streamer Affirmations, Bachelorette Planner Excel. That's an Excel spreadsheet. Born in 1984, Party Game, 80s Birthday Game, 1944. 80th, I said 80s. It's 80th birthday party game. Somebody's turning 80 this year. Born in 1964. Party Game 1954, Virtual Assistant Lead Magnet plus Email Bundle. I like that right there. Yoga Studio Instagram templates. You got a chemical peel, social media. That's great for those that do like the facial women. That'd be great for them to have for social media. Instagram template relationship launch party invite, and then you have your coastal theme digital stickers as well. Okay, so these are the new drops. Again, if you join, no matter when you join, if you join in April, if you join in May, all of these will be here for you. Okay. Now, what changes every month is the limited edition. Just like the name is limited, they expire on the 15th of every month. So we have 6 this month. So we have a yoga Instagram story, a ebook template for yoga, a Canva template for yoga, a mindful yoga clip art, yoga bingo, and 30-day yoga chair. So it looks like that's a planner right there. So it looks like yoga is what's in. It must be something that's very, very popular. If you are a digital creator, you can sell all of these together as a bundle, or you can sell them individually. If you have an Etsy store, you can bundle all these together and sell them as well. Okay. Now, one more thing that I want to show you is over in the new drops. I forgot to scroll all the way down because the Secret Weapon PLR does have different vaults. So they have a coaching tool vault, a coloring book vault, an ebook vault, and a planner vault. Okay. So if I scroll all the way down here, I forgot to show you guys, they in each vault, they will also put new products. So like a coaching checklist bundle, this is self-discovery and awareness, that's new. Passion and monetization habit tracker, passion worksheet bundle. So that's for the coaching tool. So if you're a coach, consultant, this tool right here, all of these tools will be great for your business, and you can sell them as well. If you're into coloring books or like to create coloring books, here are some coloring book or coloring sheets that are available for you. If you are a planner, so you want to resell planners, you got the drop shipping planner here, and you got the video sales letter planner here as well. And then mini ebooks. I like the mini ebooks as well. You have the intentional productivity workbook. You have the superpower self-awareness workbook. And then you have the faceless branding guide. That's faceless branding is very, very, very popular. So I can see if you can sell a ton of those. Okay. But make sure that you review the license. All right. Make sure that you always review the license to what you can and cannot do with the digital products here in the Secret Weapon PLR. You can sell them as digital products. You can have them available in your membership. You can generate unlimited sales. You can sell as printed documents. You can sell on your website. You can share resources with your coaching clients. You can modify the content, the design, and the digital product is allowed. What you cannot do, you cannot trademark anything or patent any design in here. You cannot sell or share as a PLR product to your own clients. So that means because you're downloading a planner that's a PLR and you're able to, make changes and you're able to sell it, you cannot set up a PLR store and sell all of the products that are in here too. You can't do that. And that's the same as transferring the master resale rights. And master resale rights is a lot more different than PLR. Master resale rights, or if you see the acronym MRR, you may see that a lot, especially like on TikTok or YouTube. If you see a product that has the MRR license, that means you're able to buy it and resell it as is. And that means the other person that buys it. So if Sally buys it from you, she can sell it to John. If John buys it from Sally, he can sell it to Anthony. So everybody can sell to everyone. Okay. You cannot do that with the Secret Weapon PLR. You can make changes to it. You can, modify it. They actually recommend that you do, but you don't have to, but it's definitely recommended that you do. And then you can sell it as a digital product. That means as a PDF. So you're taking a planner that's in here. You can download it, make changes to it, change the names to it, and you can sell it on your website as a planner for your brand and business. Okay. So that's what PLR is. So just make sure that any PLR site that you decide to, take a look at or want to purchase from, make sure you review the license. Okay. So let me recap on the Secret Weapon PLR. Those of you that may be new, this might be a first video you may be looking at from the Secret Weapon PLR. I have tons of videos here on my YouTube channel that you can take a look. But on the 15th of every month, I try to make sure I do a video to show you what's new. Okay. So they have the health, wealth, relationship, and leisure. Those are the topics. If you want to search by the product, there's templates, planners for social media, Canva websites, logos. You have roadmaps, journals, checklists. You have kids worksheets. There's a ton of kids things in here. You have content posts, emails. You have promos in the box. There are a ton of digital products that are in here for you to sell. And this site is for you if you don't want to start from scratch. You want to download products that are searchable, that people are looking for, that are sellable. Okay. These products have been researched. They are researched using different tools, especially with Etsy, and letting people know that, hey, people are looking for these digital products. So you should have no problem making sales. Okay. But if you have any questions about the Secret Weapon PLR that I have not answered in this video, go ahead and drop them down in the comments. And also just know that I am an affiliate. So I would love for you to join me if you decide to want to get in the Secret Weapon PLR. I've been trying to tell a lot of people that if you join using my link, please let me know, because I want to make sure that I make myself available for you. If you have questions, if you need strategy on how you can use the Secret Weapon PLR, and to make sure you get a return on your investment. Okay. Well, that is all for this video. Good luck with all of the new content drops. There are tons in here. I hope to see you guys next month for the new content drops. Until the next time, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.